Hi everyone, my name is Orsi aka Rocky and welcome to Phoenix Vocal Studio. Today I'm going to talk about another amazing performance by Choshen, Time to Say Goodbye. This was also a request by many of you. So let's listen and then I'm going to talk.
Quando sono sola sogno l'orizzonte, mancano le parole. Sì, lo so che non c'è luce in una stanza quando manca il sole. Se non ci sei tu con me su le finestre, mostrato di mio cuore che hai acceso. Chiudi dentro me la luce che ho incontrato per strada. Time to say goodbye. Paesi che non amo.
Oh, wow. Okay, let's see. So again, so many thoughts, so many feelings. I've seen and listened a few of, his performance, and even the very first time I saw it, I think I told this before. Then it just doesn't feel unnatural that a man is singing in a voice like this. It's just it sounds so it's so good and so relaxing and so heartwarming when I hear him singing. And I know I said this before, that he's like a child singing in a man's body. But it's okay, because that kind of innocence, what children have, we would need that, because we forget to be kids, how to be kids, how to be innocent, because we are grown up, and of course now we cannot do that. Why not? That is the most important thing, to remain kids as well. Yes, we are adults, we are grown up, but we cannot forget what it feels like to be a child, because children are the ones who can be happy without reason, who know how to play, how to be in the present. And we all forget that when we grow up, because we think that's just some kind of childish bullshit. But it's not. Think about it. That's what all these motivational things are always telling us, that living in the moment, enjoy the moment, be happy for no reason. That's what we do when we are kids. And that's what we need to remember when we grow up. We relearn when we grow up. We should keep this. We have to keep this, because Kids are happy, kids enjoying their life, and they don't think about anything else, because why would they? And I believe, I know this is my point of view, but I believe and know that we are here to enjoy our lives and be happy and learn how to be happy without any reason. We are here to enjoy life, not here to suffer. Yes, of course, we go through some struggles in order to grow. But I've heard this expression not too long ago that pain is part of life, but suffering is something that we decide. So we are the one who decide how to react to certain challenges in our lives. We suffer or we accept like, yes, that's what happened. Now what? How to move forward. And that's the kind of innocence that he has. The children's innocence, it's there. He kept it. He could keep it, and he's so lucky to have it, and we need that. When you listen to him, close your eyes and let this innocence go into you to wake up your inner child. Let it go inside and wake up your inner child. And allow yourself to be a child again. Allow yourself to be happy and just play. Why not? I have a child. I have a daughter. She's 4.5. And, you know, we go a lot to the playground to play swinging. She loves swinging. And even when she's not with me, I'm just go there just to play with the swing. Because it's so cool. When was the last time you went to play with the swing? You should go and try it right now. Seriously. This is a therapy when you're just sitting in the swing and flying up and back, and you're just watching the sky and you feel like you're flying, you are able to fly. That's the swing. You should do it, and it's so good. Even like when you're coloring. Oh my God, I do more coloring than my daughter. I love coloring. That one helps me to stay in the present. And we actually, oh God, thank God for him. Thank God we have singers like him that who is able to bring these type of so deep, what is it, part of who we are. He actually heals the scars that we have. Let the inner child coming out. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Thank you so much for actually recommending this song to me, because I am absolutely amazed and yeah, fantastic. All right, thank you very much for watching today as well. If you have any questions or more recommendations, feel free to post below the video. Thank you again to watch, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. If you are someone who has no chance to take one-to-one lessons for any reasons, you can join our membership site, where you can get a lifetime access for audio, video exercises, instructions, explanations. And not only the exercises, you can find the audio files which you can use every single day till the rest of your life. You can ask as many questions as you want from me, from your vocal coach, about any technique, any song, any band, any singer. You find the link below the video, so you can start your training even today. Thank you very much, and see you soon.